Alright, what's good, YouTube? I know it's been a while, but we're back at it again with the videos. So today, I got a good one for y'all. An informational one. As y'all could tell by the title, you know what it's gonna be about. Daily driving a cammed RT. I'm gonna start off with it not being that bad. It's not that bad. Probably the downfall of driving a cammed RT is like the gas mileage, you know, but everything else is cool, like the noise, the chop, the power, everything else. Love it, bro. Y'all want my honest opinion on if you should cam your RT? I say go for it, man. F it, why not? Gas mileage is terrible, but everything else is what you want it to be. Noise, chop, like I said, all that fun stuff is there. Just that the gas mileage is bad. And sometimes you could break things here and there, but you gotta have the money to play, you know. So if you don't really care about the gas mileage, and if you don't care about breaking parts, like you could replace them whenever they break, go for it. I'm gonna give y'all some little pulls right now for y'all can see how it does. Cause I know I haven't gave y'all pulls ever since I cammed the car, but I'm gonna give y'all some right now. If it's all shaky, my bad. I'm using my hand to, you know, record. I'm driving with one hand and I'm recording with the other, so bear with me, bro. But we're gonna give y'all some pulls right here. This is dumb loud, bro. This is dumb loud. You know, man. Leg it over. Oh, you can't see him, but he was checking out the car. But yeah, man, this is dumb loud. It chops loud as well. In the morning, it's very, very, very loud. My neighbors probably hate me because I wake up at like 4. So I warm up the car and let it idle or whatever. And I'm just idling loud as hell right there. So yeah, I know my neighbors hate me. Alright, y'all, so right now we'll go pick up the MPVI to slap in a tune on the car, because like I said on my previous video, like it needs some tweaking with it basically. So I'm gonna get the MPVI. On the way to picking up the MPVI, I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. But as y'all can see, I told y'all the miles per gallon is terrible. Yeah, like I said, if you cam your RT, gas mileage is terrible. It's terrible. It's already terrible stock. Now imagine putting a cam in. It's gonna be even way worse. That's one bad thing about dailying a cam RT. Alright, y'all, so we made it. As y'all can see from those pulls, it's alright, I want more though. I want more power, more torque, all that, bro. But as of right now, it's cool or whatever. Alright, y'all, so we on the way back. We picked up the MPVI, and right now I'm gonna give y'all a video where I do a pull, but like it's in manual mode, right? It's in manual mode. I hit it and I smack it over, but that makes a huge difference. Oh shoot, look, I'm about to crash, bro. But anywho, I used to do that back then when I had first, like, I wasn't full bolt-on yet, and I used to do it back then. I didn't think it made a difference until now that I'm cammed, full bolt-on and all. I did it, and you can feel the difference, bro. You can very, like, I don't know, but you can feel the difference for sure. You just gotta have the sports off, the traction control off all the way, hold it down for like 5 seconds, and just do that little thing with the stick. No homo. But yeah, man, driving daily, my bad. Daily driving a RT cam isn't bad. It's very fun, bro. So if you want to do it, go for it. But if you're gonna be, nagging about the gas prices and the gas mileage, don't do it, because it's just gonna get on your nerves and you're gonna want to go back fucking stock, so yeah, my personal opinion, if you want to do it, like I said in the beginning of the video, go for it. It's worth it. I also get questions saying what cam am I running and what stage or whatever. I am running for the 50th time. There's an IA behind me. I am running for the 50th time a Mark 82 from FRP, Flying Ryan Performance. I'm gonna put it down in the description for y'all can hit the link and it'll take y'all straight there. But yeah, I'm running the Mark 82. You don't need a torque converter. If that's another question y'all have in mind, you don't need a torque converter for it, but it will benefit off a torque converter. So if you want that beneficial or whatever, buy the torque converter. The torque converter is like 1,200. You will need a 3,000. What was it? Like a 3,400 or 3,500, somewhere around there. The torque converter, and you could get it from Circle D, or if not, Flying Ryan Performance has some of their own as well, I think. If not, I guess just they just buy them and put them on their website or whatever. But yeah, either Flying Ryan Performance has them, or you could go on Circle D. There's different brands. I don't know about the different brands, but I just heard that Circle D is good for the cam that I am on. Alright, y'all, it turned dark. Yes, I know. Hold on, let me turn on the lights. Y'all can see I've been driving the car for a while. Y'all can tell the miles per gallon. Let me change it for y'all. Y'all can really see. There you go. I don't know, but so far so good with the car. No problems. I drive it every day from home to work and from work to home, obviously. My job is literally 2 miles away from my house. Literally 2 miles or 3. So the gas is bad, but I ain't really worried about it because, like I said, I work 3 miles away. So I pump at the end of the week. But if you're cammed and you drive a good 20, 25, 30 minutes to work every single day, yeah, you're gonna see it, you're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel it for real. You're gonna be pumping probably either every 2 days, probably three times out of the week, to be honest with you. But yeah, not bad. As y'all can see, I did multiple pulls. The car is doing perfectly fine, not overheating, not doing no funny stuff. But yeah, man, Cameo RT. Alright, y'all, it's dark out already. As y'all can see, bruh, I was running this shit. You can hear the ticking noise. Yeah, I call it. Yeah, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna just cut it here. I know it's dark. It's very dark. I was supposed to slap on the tune, but the place that I went to didn't have Wi-Fi close to the front doors, so I wasn't able to do it, and it scared the hell out of me. We'll just do that tomorrow. I got another video for y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna be picking up some goodies for the RT. This one is beneficial. What I'm gonna pick up tomorrow is a must. So you're gonna pick it up tomorrow. How am I gonna install it? I don't know yet, but we're gonna buy it. Probably have somebody install it, but that's the end of the video. Cammed RT stage 2 Mark 82 from Flying Ryan Performance is dailyable. Just that, like I said, for the 1,000th time, the gas mileage isn't there, but it's fun. It'll check all the boxes off on your little checklist or whatever you want to call it. I say you do it. And if you're in Cali, you just gotta be careful with the cops, because you could get stay rev. But if you anywhere else, I'm pretty sure the laws are different everywhere else. So Cameo RT, bro, I say go for it. The max it will run you to Cameo RT, labor and all, 5K, close to 6 probably. Just save your money, bro, and cam that RT, bro. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's fun. I mean, you're not making like 700 horsepower after camming the RT, you know, but you can feel the power. It's there. It's there. You just need to have driver mod as well, because if you're driving it just like slamming it all the time without knowing what you're doing, you're not gonna feel the power. I realized that today. One of my homies told me to, you know, smack the knob over like I showed you earlier, to smack the knob over and like let the car shift on its own. Like I said, I used to do that, but I didn't really feel the difference until I cammed the RT, and I did it today while cammed. You can feel the difference for sure. It pulls every gear, and it just feels crazy. Right now I did a pull, that's why it's ticking all crazy like that. And yeah, that shit low-key had me like, oh shit, you know. But it had me, oh shit, and it's barely 400 horsepower. Imagine when we, yeah, I don't know, man, but we gonna get there. We get in there, bro. We get in there. Be prepared. I might sell this one, the leg maker, and I'm gonna get another part tomorrow. So that's why I say make sure y'all stay tuned, because this build's finna go crazy, bro. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I'm feeling the difference. I haven't raced anything. I do want to race some cars, but yeah, man, sorry for the dogs barking, but yeah, man, that's the end of the video. If y'all liked the video, make sure y'all, well, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, so y'all could get notified when I post again. Yeah, man, see y'all on the next one. Peace.